Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to subscribe our channel, because once you subscribe the channel, then the notification of all the event of your this subject will automatically come in your mobile. So that's why this session is very much important, in which we are covering questions of a most important act that is a part of your syllabus, LRB. As we know that in LRB, four modules are there, in which module C and D is very important. So if you want to score 60 plus marks in your LRB subject, so simply what you have to do, simply you have to come in the channel, okay, focus on the YT session that we are taking, and one paid batch is sufficient to clear your concept. So that's why this session is very much important. Before starting this session, I want to highlight one thing, that it is a bilingual batch, a new batch in which we will give you 3000 questions of PPB, 1000 for PPB, 1000 AFB, and 1000 LRB question will be there. These are the previous year questions, in which 600 plus case studies question will be there, and detailed video lectures will be also there. So if you want to get enrolled in this batch, you have to use the code Y39, because whatever the question that will highlight in this session, that is very important from the examination point of view. So that's why this batch is going to be start from 3 October. So if you want to join, you have to use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. Okay. So in today's session, we have to do the questions of Bankers Book Evidence Act and the Banking Ombudsman. So in this one, as we know that in the Bankers Book Evidence Act, what evidence the bank have to present before the court, and in the Banking Ombudsman is the authority who will listen the complaint of the customer regarding the banking services. Okay, so this is the crux of your this one. Now let's start with the question and answer series. The Banking Ombudsman scheme was introduced under Section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 by RBI with the effect from 1992, 1993, 1995, and none of the above is the right answer. Tell me the exact answer of this one. The Banking Ombudsman scheme was introduced under Section 35A. So what is the exact, year in which it's come into effect? And if you don't know this question now, you have to learn these questions. You have to learn. So, but all of you have given the right answer for the first one, that the Banking Ombudsman, it's come into effect from 1995. So first one, class C is the right answer. Okay, you have to remember the C one is the right answer. Okay, and the question can be also come from Section 35A. So that's why this is important one. Next, the Banking Ombudsman scheme was introduced under what? And under which section? Under which section? Banking Regulation Act 1935, 1945, 1949, 1985, and none of the above. And you have to tell me under which section the Banking Ombudsman come into picture. Okay, cool, Rekha ma'am. Yes, class. What is the exact section and under which act this has been introduced? We have already done this question. Okay, we have already done this question. So what is the exact answer? For the second one, exactly, it's a 35A. 35A is the right answer, and it is given under the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Absolutely right. Okay, next. The Banking Ombudsman is appointed by Central Finance Minister, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, and none of the above. Tell me. The Banking Ombudsman is appointed by the Central Finance Minister, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, and none of the above. This is very simple question. Before answering, you have to read out the question twice a time. And it's a humble request to all of you class, for LRB, please attend the session of 7:30 p.m. also, and 9 p.m. sessions is also important. For all the videos from class 1 to till now, you can easily see the playlist. Open the Officers Adda YouTube channel and there will be the playlist. You have to click on this, then it will be automatically come. Okay, cool. Next. Which among the following is incorrect? Okay, the 4 options are there. You have to tick mark on the incorrect sentence. First, Banking Ombudsman is a senior official appointed by RBI. Offices of Banking Ombudsman is mostly situated at state capital. All scheduled commercial bank, RRB bank, scheduled primary cooperative bank are covered under the Banking Ombudsman, and none of the above. So hope so you all are revising your syllabus, revising your concept that you are learned in the morning session, right? Vijaya ma'am, previous is appointed by Reserve Bank of India. That is so easy. I have told you now, Ombudsman appointed by Government of India, but Banking Ombudsman, Reserve Bank of India. What is the exact answer of 4th one? Mogili, sir, you have said that the office is, sir, just use your common sense. If there are total 22 banking ombudsman offices, so but obvious that will situated at the state capital. This is the right one? This is the right one. Exactly, Suji ma'am. So for this one, 4th one, the exact answer is none of the above is the right answer. Excellent. Okay, next. Banking Ombudsman is appointed for what? Handling and redress the bank complaint against customer behavior. Handling and redress the customer complaint against deficiency in certain banking services. Providing the decision on important banking operation like CRR, SLR, and MSF, and none of the above. Appointed for what? Appointed for what? 5th one. 5th one, what is the exact answer? That is so simple. For the 5th one, the exact answer is that customer complaint against the deficiency in the certain banking services. So B is the right answer. Excellent. And class, do not forget to like the session and always attend the class at 9 p.m. That is very important. Now, which among the following is suitable ground of complaint against the banks to the banking ombudsman? Suitable grounds of complaint. The first one is charging any commission for acceptance of small denomination notes. Second, any delay in payment of inward remittance or non-payment of inward remittance. Remittance means to blow the money. Any excessive delay or non-payment of collection of check draft bill. If any banking organization refuses to accept taxes or any delay in accepting the taxes. D is any delay in issuing the government securities, and all of the above. Just apply your common sense. Exactly, Rekha ma'am. Apply your common sense. In question number 6. And in the morning, I have already told you that you do not have to learn the grounds. There were 27 grounds right now. So only just use your common sense and give me the answer. It's Lathasri ma'am, Shiva ma'am. Exactly, Satpal sir. The E is the right answer because all are exactly correct. Okay, cool. Next. Next one, 7. A bank customer can file a complaint against the banking organization if reply is not received from the bank within period of dash. First of all, we have to give opportunity to the bank. But if the bank within that time of period not give reply after the concerned bank has received complaint representation, 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, and none of the above. 7th one. Which of the following is the right answer? Seventh one. Vijay ma'am, why you didn't see? Huh? Why? So you can class easily guess that whatever we are learning, the concept, same in the question format that is coming. So that's why that is very much important. So for the seventh one, what is the exact answer? Excellent. B is the right answer. 1-1. Okay, cool. Next. The banking ombudsman charge dash fee for filing and resolving the customer complaint, whether it is 10,000, 5,000, no fees, and none of the above. Yes. Class, always focus on the paid batch concept. That is very important. Please attend the YT session from class 1 to till now. Whatever the test series that we have given in the paid batch you have to do, plus mock paper is compulsory. And please, the confidence should be in your mind. So what will be the exact answer of 8th one? Excellent. For that thing, no fees is charged for this one. Okay, next. If one party reject the banking ombudsman decision, then such party have to satisfy with banking ombudsman decision only. Such party can approach the appellate authority against the banking ombudsman decision. Such party can approach the governor of RBI and none of the above. What is the exact answer of this one? I think my voice is clear to all of you right now. My voice is clear to all of you. So class, if one party reject the banking ombudsman decision, then what will happen? 9th one. And please attend the class regularly. Attend the class regularly. So for the 9th one, the exact answer is absolutely right. For 9th one, such party can approach to the appellate authority. Excellent. Okay. Against the decision of the banking ombudsman. Good. Now tell me class, who is the appellate authority under banking ombudsman scheme? Deputy governor, head governor, finance minister, and none of the above. 10th one. Excellent. For the 10th one, deputy governor of RBI is the right answer. Excellent. 10th one, A is the right answer. Good. Next. For the purpose of application of Bankers Book Evidence Act, the Bankers Book includes. So this is the definition of Bankers Book. What will be the right answer? A. Record kept as backup, record available as disaster recovery, record on microfilm, and record on physical form. So what contained under the Bankers Book? What is the exact answer of 11th? Yes. And everybody have to participate in this session because these sessions are very much important. From the class 1, you have to see the YT sessions. And if you are new in this session, okay, if you are new, so kindly see the session from class 1 to till now. Come in paid batch for the concept clarity. Do the mock paper test series that is sufficient to crack your exam. Exactly. For this one, the exact answer is A to D is the right answer. Okay, good. Next. When the bank is send a certified copy of a bank record to a court, the bank is to be give certificate that should contain which of the following is not correct? The entry is true copy. Entry is contained in the bank books. Entry was made in the ordinary course of business. Yes, such record is not in the custody of the bank. Which of the following is the right answer? Banker's Book Evidence Act, the prima facie thing is important. Certified copy is important. And if bank is not a party, that point is important. So what is the exact answer of 12th? Not correct. Not correct. First of all, the entry is true copy exactly. Entry is contained in bank book, yes. Entry was made in the ordinary course of business, yes. Such record is not in the custody of bank, no. So you have to take mark on no. So the right answer is D is the right answer. Exactly. D is the right one. Exactly, Indraja ma'am. D is the right one. Okay. So class for today, that is the, I think, last question. Okay. Some more questions are there. Let's do this question. The copy of Memorandum of Association and Article of Association of a company is kept with the ROC. Exactly. It can be inspected by any of the person due to which it is known. So what it will be called? Doctrine of Indoor Management, Ultra-Virus, a constructive notice, and outdoor management. 13.1. What is the exact answer? If you know the term, what is Memorandum of Association? What is Article of Association? Ma'am, we are new. Okay, Subhashini ma'am, if you are new in this session, so it's a humble request to please refer the YT sessions from class 1 to till now, because classes are very important, or otherwise I will show you in this session at the last that how to cover all the classes of YT session. YT session, paid batch for concept clarity. Paid batch means you have to pay the nominal fee. Batch will become, you have to attend the class. And test series plus mock paper is important. So what is the exact answer? Excellent. All of you have done the right answer. Doctrine of constructive note is the right answer. And whatever the doctrines that I have explained in this one, that is important. That is important. Okay. So that's all for today's class, and this is a new batch. It will be in the bilingual language, but don't worry about this bilingual language. Why? Because whatever the question that we will show in this batch now, the question will be in the English medium. So if you want to take this batch, it's a very good for you, because in this batch there will be thousand question for of each subject. Previous year, it include previous year questions, 600 case study questions, and detailed video batches. And that batch is going to be start from 3rd October. My timing will be 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So if you want to get enrolled, you can easily use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. Suchi ma'am, today you are very happy. Why? Gangadhar sir, I have told you now, if you want to do the more questions, so have you attended the 7:30 p.m. session classes? Yes, Gangadhar sir, have you attended? Indraja ma'am, today is very easy questions. Okay, that's cool. Today questions are not easy. Today you understand all the points. That is called the concept clarity, ma'am. Okay, that is called the concept clarity. Okay. So Gangadhar sir, if you want more questions, so please refer the 7:30 p.m. session in which I just bring some more questions. So class, this is the batch. If you want to enroll in this 3000 MCQ batch, so you can see this one. This is the batch. You can see it contains, first of all, see that what contains in this batch. It's a live way 2 class, because whatever the question that we will solve, it will be the 2-way live class. 3000 plus MCQ and previous year question for the exam preparation. 130 hour of video lecture. It means the recorded sessions are there in this session. 600 plus questions of the case study. Case study means 2 marks question will be there. Special design for JAIIB November 2022. and it is very important. So here are the study plan. If you see the study plan of LRB, you can see the study plan of LRB. Okay, this is the LRB. The timing 10 October to this one. Okay, and you can see the next PPB. It's from 3 October and the session will be end 22 October. Okay, 17. And for AFB, you can see the session here, AFB 3 October and the session will be end at 29 October. So if you want to get enrolled, you are most welcome to enter the batch. Okay, so click on view offer and then put the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply and you can see the discount, 77% discount. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Exactly, ready, sir. My timing will be morning 6. It's a PPB. It's a AFB and my subject will be, it's a LRB. LRB will be 6 a.m. to okay, this will be study plan. It is the case study. Okay, case study 31 to 5, this one. Okay, and this is the normal class. Okay, normal means normal question, and the case study question will be, we will do it separately. Thank you so much. Ready, sir? 1000 question means in 1000 question we will cover half marks question, we will cover 1 marks question, and for the case study 2 marks question we have a separate batch, we have a separate class. See, if I talk about the LRB, from 10 October to 29 October the classes of LRB will be there, and for the case study 31st October to 5 November. Okay, this will be the class. Thank you so much for attending the session and do not forget to come to class. So, exactly, this is for all subjects. This is for all subjects. If you want to purchase a single separate, you can purchase separately. But if you want to combine this one, you can see. You can see this one, the timetable. See, if the AFB timing for 1 marks and half marks question, 3 October to 29 October. Simple question we will do. And for AFB case study questions, see the timing will be 31st to 5 November. That's it. Okay, it means in the last of the thing, we will solve the case studies question. This is for all. For PPB also, you can see the study plan for PPB 2 marks question is 27 October to 5 November. Case study question. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Paid class is 6 a.m. Ready, sir? If you are attending the paid class of my LRB, then the session will be end, I think, from 9th of October. Okay, ready, sir? Thank you so much.